We are very proud and happy to have the great son of the soil, Sri Sarvananda Sudavalji here.
ഈ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ വല്ലിയഴിക്കയുടെ അഭിമാന നിമിഷമാണ്. വല്ലിയഴിക്ക ലൈറ്റ് ഹൗസിൻ്റെ ഇനാഗ്രേഷനാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോകാം. മിനിസ്ട്രി ഓഫ് പോർട്ട്, ഷിപ്പിംഗ്, വാട്ടർവേ ആൻഡ് മിനിസ്ട്രി ഓഫ് ആയുഷ്, ശ്രീ സർബാനന്ദ സോണോവാൾ, വല്ലിയഴിക്കൽ ലൈറ്റ് ഹൗസ് ഒക്ടോബർ 30, 2021 രാജ്യത്തിന് വേണ്ടി സമർപ്പിച്ചു.
Dedicated to the nation today by Sri Sarvananda Sonoval, the Honorable Cabinet Minister. പ്രിയമുള്ളവരെ, ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി ഇവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് കേരളത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. Please put your hands together to welcome our honorable chief guest. We are very proud and happy to have the great son of the soil, Sri Sarvananda Sudavalji here. By Sri Sarvananda Sudaval, a dynamic personality with a futuristic vision, on this great occasion, I would request him to speak a few words. നിറഞ്ഞ കയ്യടികളോടെ അദ്ദേഹത്തെ നമുക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യാം. അദ്ദേഹത്തിനോടൊപ്പം ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട എം പി, ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട മന്ത്രി. Sir, on this occasion, we would request you to speak a few words. Snehopagaram, as a mark of respect and gratitude for gracing this occasion with his august presence, we are honoring the Honorable Cabinet Minister, our chief guest of the day. നമ്മുടെ ക്ഷണം സ്വീകരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേർന്ന
വോട്ട് എടുക്കാൻ കേട്ടാ കേട്ടാണ് ഈയുടെ പി എ കടലൊരു റിവ്യൂ ആണ്
Namaskar. I am really thankful to all the people present here today because your presence, this occasion become very meaningful for all of us, and this become very cordial because of your kind support. And the people of Kerala is very beautiful, very cultured, very hardworking. And the state is beautiful. God has created by His own hand. That's why it is known as God's own state, Kerala. So now we have the presence of Honorable Member of Parliament Lok Sabha Arif Ji and Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly, one of the senior most leader of the state of Kerala, Ramesh Ji, and the Additional Secretary, Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India, Bandhu Pandai Ji, Director General, Lighthouses, and Muruga Nandan Ji, and the District President of BJP, MV Gupa Kumar Ji, and K. Shuman Ji, Jona Presidents, BJP, and my dear media friends, and also the official from Director General Lighthouses, and also the responsible employees involved in this entire noble endeavor. Today is a great day for the people of this region, particularly, as you know, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi Ji, who is very much keen to develop the coastal region, and also he is trying to put all possible effort for the overall growth of the country. In the last 7 years, whatever he did, that's why, because of his honest, dedicated, committed service to the nation, that within 7 years' time, the country could able to see a very bright face of the country, and also attain a special global station. And I am really thankful to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi Ji because of his support. And because of his support, this particular lighthouse has come out with beautiful 7 sides to extend support to the fishermen, and also to specially contribute to the growth of industry of tourism, and also for the safe navigation in the for the mariners. And this is how he has directed us to develop 75 number of lighthouses in the country during Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, that is 75 years of India's independence. And I am also thankful, especially thankful to the local people and also MLAs, MPs and all others responsible, citizens here. Because of your support, this has been possible to happen. And also especially thankful to the fishermen, because this particular lighthouse is also mainly built up to extend special assistance to the fishermen so that they can do their fishing well, and during their fishing they should not face any kind of difficult situation. So in that eventuality, this lighthouse is going to play a big role. And this has been developed with the modern technology and modern architecture so that this can extend its adequate service to the mariners as well as to the fishermen. And at the same time, local MP Mr. Arif and MLA Rameshji and also local BJP President Mr. Gopakumar and Suman, they are all requesting me to take more measures for the promotion of tourism in this particular sector. So definitely, I assure you, if we get the adequate proposal from the state of Kerala, definitely my ministry is going to take it up positively. Because we want this particular entire coastal area should be developed. And this has got tremendous national possibilities and prosperities to become the global most important attractive center for tourism. So that is why I believe with this available resources, definitely in the near future, my ministry will take all possible measures so that local people, particularly the fishermen, and also this particular place can draw the attention of the domestic and global tourists as well. Thank you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
November 1st, the Kerala Formation Day is just 2 days away, and this happens to be the perfect birthday present to us from the Government of India. On behalf of all of us here, now the Director General will present a memento to our Honorable, our Director General, Shri Muruganandam, presents a memento to our Honorable Union Minister. Thank you very much, sir, for honoring us with your
പ്രതീക്ഷയാണ് ഈ ലൈറ്റ് ഹൗസ് വലിയ പ്രതീക്ഷയായ മാറാമെന്ന് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കണ്ടന്റാണ്.